Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, we're making lasagna, and I want to say thank you to all of you who subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the 1K subscribers. Those who started with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. And if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button to join this family. Thank you as you do so. Today we are making lasagna. When you hear lasagna, you think of Italo. But today we are going to add African twist to it. So let's get started. I have my pan in a medium heat. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add my chopped ginger and chopped garlic. After adding the ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon each, fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not allow it to burn. Then you can now add your chopped onion, and I'm using 1 large onion. Fry the onion for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can now add your minced beef. After adding the minced beef, add your salt, then add chicken seasoning. You need to season your beef, your minced beef, so that you're going to build that flavor. After that, fry the minced beef until it loses the pinkness. That's, you're going to fry the minced beef until it turns golden brown. It takes between 1 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. Once the minced beef is golden brown, transfer to a plate for use later. Please avoid the bottom part because that's where the fat is. I'm going to use that fat to fry the tomato sauce. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So look at my pan now. Just leave it the way it is. All you now need to do is to add another ginger and garlic, about 1 teaspoon each. Then add your chopped onion again. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not allow it to burn. After that, you can now go in with your chopped tomato. I'm using 2 tins of chopped tomato. As soon as you add your chopped tomato, it is time to add other ingredients. Add 2 Scotch bonnet for that African flavor and heat. Then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of chicken seasoning, a tablespoon of smoked paprika for that smoky flavor. Then add some salt for taste. Mix together to combine. I still went ahead to add chicken seasoning to boost the flavor. After adding all the seasoning, the next step is to fry the tomato sauce. And to fry it, you have to fry it between 1 to 10 minutes, stirring it in between because you don't want it to burn. You have to fry your tomato. This is how we're going to build that African flavor. You know, we're making African lasagna. So if you fry your tomato sauce for 20 minutes, you should achieve something like this. By this time, your tomato sauce will be very rich and spicy. So now you can add your fried or minced beef. Add your minced beef, mix together until it's well combined. To adjust the consistency, you can now add some water because you don't want your tomato sauce to be too thick. Remember, you're going to add your pasta, that is the lasagna sheet, so it needs some water to cook it as well. So if your tomato sauce is too thick, your lasagna is going to be dry. So you don't want it to be dry. Add some water to adjust the consistency. After that, I add some salt for taste. You can taste as you're cooking. Add some salt, mix together again to combine, then cover the pot with the lid and allow to simmer for at least 10 minutes. I love my husband. 10 minutes later, our delicious African lasagna sauce is ready. Let me give you one secret. With this sauce, you can just enjoy it with your boiled rice. That is how easy it is to make the sauce. So next, allow the sauce to cool down a bit before you use it. Next, let me introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. Here I have mozzarella cheese. Next, I have mild cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese of your choice. Next up is lasagna sheet. Lasagna sheet or pasta sheet. You can get it in any food store around you to buy. It is so affordable. So next up is our lasagna sauce. It's cooled down a bit. You don't want to use it when it's too hot. Next step is to assemble everything together. So here I have my oven. With the lasagna sheet, I'm going to use first 3 because the lasagna might go in with the pan. Lasagna sauce to give space, but you can also use 4 at the bottom of the pan at the end of this video. After that, I'm going to go in with the lasagna sheet. Then go in with the lasagna sauce because you want the lasagna sheet, the pasta, to absorb the sauce. That's where it's going to get that flavor from. Make sure you spread it, cover it with the lasagna sauce. After covering it with the lasagna sauce, then you now go in with the cheese. And with the cheese, I mix the 2 of them together. I'm using mozzarella and mild cheddar, but you can use any cheese of your choice. Cover the top with the cheese. After that, then you now go in again with the lasagna sheet, which is the pasta again. After that, then you now go in with the sauce. So make sure you spread the sauce because you want everything to marry each other. So after going in with the lasagna sauce, you're building the flavor now, guys. And remember, this sauce is very, very rich. It's spicy, it's tasty. Cover the top with the lasagna sauce. Then go in with more cheese. Add more cheese. Cover the top with cheese. After you cover the top with the cheese, again, you go in with the pasta. After the pasta, you add the sauce. After the sauce, you add the cheese. It's very easy to make lasagna. Very, very easy to make lasagna. And if you've not subscribed till this time, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments and let me know if you're going to try this recipe. Share with your friends and family, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video like this delicious lasagna, you're not going to miss out. So for the top part, I decided to use 4 lasagna sheets. The same process. After I add the lasagna sheet, I still went in with the sauce. Cover it with the sauce, then top it up with the cheese. Continental food undoma ndi na muzi kesi ni ja ebi ga muta kesi ni nwele ngabasio Mrs. Joy ni nwelo ya. Next, cut enough kitchen foil to cover the top of the lasagna. Before you cover it, spray with cooking oil to stop it from sticking. What the kitchen foil will do is to trap the heat and help the lasagna to bake faster. If you want to learn how to... Once the lasagna is well covered, next step, transfer to a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 40 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. After baking the lasagna for at least 45 minutes, it is time to check on it. Open it and you're going to get this yumminess, the most yumminess lasagna. Look at this yumminess. Look at this yumminess. You can take it out from the oven like this and enjoy it, but I'm going to take it further. I'm going to show you how to add this African twist to it. Put it back again in the oven and bake it for another 15 minutes, and look at this yumminess. At this time, it is golden brown, it is yummy, it is delicious. Look at this African lasagna. African delicious yummy lasagna. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe, but I'm going to show you what the inside look like. With a knife, I'm going to cut the part that I want to eat. Are you guys ready for this? If you've not given this video a thumbs up, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for what? Hit that subscribe button. So guys, are you ready? Let's play the drum. Dun 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 dun. Look at at this yumminess. Look at this African spicy lasagna. This lasagna, I gave it to somebody and she told me, to be honest, I'm not bragging. If you want, I'll bring her to my channel. She said it's the most tastiest lasagna she has ever tasted. Yes, it is so delicious. So I want you to go out there, get your ingredients, and start cooking your lasagna. Send me the picture on YouTube. You can tag me on Instagram. You can follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my channel. And please share this recipe with your friends and family so that they can learn new things. I love you guys, and I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.
I love my husband, yo.